Today, me and the kids, we're gonna do what we're gonna put up today? Our bird houses. Our bird houses. Yeah, her bird house. Are you ready, EJ? Okay, EJ one. He's on this tree here in our backyard. How low? We don't want to go too low, EJ. Let's choose a nice limb. Birds like the privacy, so we need to go a little bit higher. What about here? You want on this one? This one? Oh, that's kind of high. You want to, when they have babies, you want to be able to see them. What about this tree here? You can do it right here in this limb. All right, we'll do that one. And then what we'll do, maybe we'll put yours on that tree over there. What do you think? You want yours on that tree? I can put it on the side of the tree so you can see. Unless you want to put it on the other side of this tree. On this side over here. EJ on the right and yours on the... You want to do that? All right. Okay, let's do it. Why you have that sweatstop on? It's hot out here. You know it's 90 degrees? Another egg. It's been there for a while. You might want to throw that out. That's Easter egg. It's been there for a long time. It's been there for a while, buddy. I don't know. Well, it was in the container.
Candy doesn't get old, Daddy.
It's in a bag. It's been out here for a while.
Candy doesn't get old.
Oh yeah, now let's have a vote. Should you have that candy? Should you eat it? Or should you throw it in the trash?
Daddy, just try one. Daddy, let me just try one.
Okay, give it back. Alana, give it back. Give it back to him.
We need to try it.
You found it, right?
You don't want to get sick.
So you want to get sick?
Sick.
You're gonna get sick, EJ?
Yeah,
You sure you want to do that?
Risk it.
You sure you want to do that?
I'm gonna risk not.
You're gonna risk it?
I wish this is safe.
Okay, it's been out here for a while, but at least it was in a container and it's closed. All right, what are you watching over there, Lana? What are you watching? Okay, this tree is gonna be your home. This limb right here, we're gonna put it up on this limb.
It smells
And Alana, you want the other limb over there? You wanna put it on the other limb? You want to? Okay.
This one's not safe.
You sure? Just throw it all away. It's been out here for a while. They're old. Let the birds eat those. All right. So see, that's good. You can't have any. It's been here for a long time.
They're green.
Exactly.
You should have hide it somewhere
See,
else.
that's called good judgment. See that? EJ, that's good judgment, EJ. EJ didn't want to eat that because you don't want to get sick.
And plus it's all green.
See, I was waiting for your judgment, EJ. I know you weren't gonna eat it. I know you're smart, right?
Also smarter than
All right, now let's hang this bird feeder. Who's gonna hold the phone while
me.
who's gonna shoot the shot? It's already on. Just hold it up here. Hold it up while I hang the thing. Hold this. Just hold it. You wanna help me? You hold it. No. Okay, I'll put it down. Okay, EJ, hold the camera properly, buddy. Hold it good.
I don't get it.
Okay, so what we're gonna do today? We're gonna hang it right here. This thing is kind of dry though. I don't know, but we can still put it here. Bird feeder is fine, right? We're gonna put it right here. I think we'll be all right. I think we'll be okay. Put the wire here. Then we're gonna let it hang. You want it not too low. You want the bird to have privacy, just in case. All right. So this is yours, EJ.
Yeah.
Okay, this is your bird house. Alright. So let's put your bird house up here. And then what we're gonna do is just gonna let it hang just a little bit. Just give the bird some, some room to swing. Like that. That's good. That's low.
No.
That's good. Now let's hang yours. Hang yours. I'm gonna put it on the other side. I'm gonna put it on that side of the tree. Going on this side. Put it over here. Ooh, slide it. Slide it. Okay. See, you wanna put it here? What's not fun about it? It's fun.
This is low.
No, this is not. Well.
No, I mean like the ground. It's low. Daddy,
Oh.
you need to build something something right over here.
Build something?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Let's see what I'm gonna do first. Maybe we should. I think this is fine right here for a bird. Maybe I'll put it here. How about here? You want to put it here? I think I'm gonna put it here. Let me get the ladder, okay? Put it over here.
Okay. I'm just gonna walk around. She said she didn't want to.
You want to put yours on that limb now? Oh. Okay, we're going to change the line. We're going to put it on the side where you guys can see them. Let's put it over here on this side. EJ, don't put it so close to that. Or you trying to show it off?
Yeah.
Alright, so. Come on, EJ. Hold it up here. I'm going to put this one here. This is going to be Alana. Be nice and high. Birds can have privacy. So now we can see the birds when they come. EJ, what are you doing? You messing it up? Oh. Okay. Don't tell me I'm going to need to edit that video, EJ. Probably need to edit it now. Alright, so Alana, this one is yours. And it's hanging nice and high. This is the birdhouse, right? Is it a bird feeder or a birdhouse? Which one is it?
Feeder in house.
Feeder in the house?
Allison's is mostly a bird feeder
Oh yeah?
because it has that place where you can put.
Yeah, Allison's is more like a bird feeder, yeah.
Mine's a birdhouse. So one's a birdhouse.
Yeah, so, that's good? Alright.
Daddy,
I wonder if I need to bring yours up a little bit.
Daddy, don't put it up because I'm sure.
And look at it.
Nobody touch it.
Alright.
Still.
So, hopefully soon there will be some birds coming over here making nests in it. Come, where's your bird feeder? Bring yours. Bring your bird feeder. Bring it. All right, so we're gonna put all of them up.
All of them up.
Right. I think I might put hers over here. Let's see, where can I put it? I got it. Yeah, I got it for now. I'll let you hold it when she bring her. Maybe I should put it on this tree over here.
No, this one's too high.
You know what? Your mommy like to watch the birds in the morning, so maybe we should just put them on.
Over here.
Maybe we should put one on this tree right here. What do you think?
We should put one over there.
One over there? Okay. Let's go over this tree.
On that one, the one all the way in the back.
Where do you want yours? Over here or over there? What about in the middle? That's a bird feeder, right? That's a feeder.
Yeah, that's a feeder.
That's a feeder. Yeah, that's a feeder. So let's huh? Right. I know that's Alana. It's hot out here and she's wearing long sleeve.
No, that's a sweater. Yes, it is.
It's hot out here, baby. You're wearing sweat top. Okay, so where you want yours, Aliyah? Right here? I was trying not to disturb because the basketball court is here. I was trying not to, what do you think?
Austin.
What about over here on this side? What about over here? Don't play with the door, baby. What about over here? You guys left the door open. You should put it on that tree right here.
This one?
Yeah. Excuse me, EJ.
This is
So that way the birds will, you'll see the birds when they come to you. on the front. Oh, that's a bird feeder though.
Yeah,
This stuff is so thick. It's like yours need to be hanging. This is a bird feeder. Where's the camera? It's supposed to be up here, not on there. So this is an activity for you guys. So, all right. Let me see yours. You know what? This needs to be
lower.
no, it needs to be hanging like where the birds can on both sides. Let's see if I put it like this. Only the front side is gonna be, you know what I mean? They need to be able to sit on both sides.
Put the rainbow one.
So we need to put it on a limb. Yours need to be on a limb. Yours need to be on a limb.
There's some over there and over there.
Okay. Well, it's okay. We'll get another one for it's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
We get some bird food, some food. Careful.
This is a peaceful neighborhood. Here's that house, and that house, and our house.
Okay. Lana, you finished watching? Okay, careful, you guys.
Is it true that